Hi there, George from Reply here. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a sequence using Jason AI SDR. Jason AI is designed to simplify the entire sales process, eliminating the need for juggling spreadsheets and getting bogged down in busy work. It finds leads, researches prospects, creates multi-channel personalized sequences, handles replies, and even books meetings, allowing you to focus on making sales. Before we start creating sequences, we need to add an email account. If you use Google or Microsoft mailboxes, it is as simple as clicking a button. Or if you want to import a large number of mailboxes from dedicated email infrastructure providers, we also support bulk import via CSV, as well as have native integrations with some of the leading vendors in that space. Another crucial step in ensuring you get the most out of your outreach efforts is improving and then maintaining good sender reputation for all of your mailboxes. Thankfully, this is a job that can be done fully automatically with the help of our partner product called mailtoaster.ai, which is included at no additional cost with all of our licenses. Simply connect your mailbox to Mailtoaster, turn it on, and it will continue working behind the scenes. Connecting your LinkedIn account is even easier. All you need to do is sign into our Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store and click Add New Account in the settings, and it will do the rest. Jason AI SDR is created to think and act like you would. It adapts to your strategy, your messaging style, and your sales approach. To make this happen, we'll start by giving Jason the context it needs. First, let's create your playbook. This is where you tell Jason how to sell your product or service. In the Playbooks tab, you'll find a library of ready-made strategies that you can start using right away or build your own. Add instructions on what Jason should and shouldn't do. Share examples of emails you like. Be specific. The more direction you give, the more your AI SDR will reflect your voice and approach. Next, let's build an offer. Think of an offer as a detailed pitch for one product or service aimed at one specific customer segment. Include your company info, ICP, value proposition, key pain points you solve, proof points, and CTAs. Create your first offer manually. Then, when you build your first sequence, Jason will auto-generate 5 different offer variations for you. You'll find them on the Offers tab, ready to edit, test, and reuse across other campaigns. To take things to the next level, you can help Jason reply like you would. Set up your knowledge base with answers to common questions, supporting materials, and preferred reply guidelines. This ensures Jason handles responses in a way that reflects your expertise, not just a generic script. By the way, you can skip these steps and Jason will still generate a sequence using best practices. But for the best results, give it the context only you can provide. That's how Jason becomes your AI SDR, not just an AI SDR. To begin creating your sequence, select a playbook, an offer, and a knowledge base. If you missed those steps, you can simply provide Jason with your website URL. Jason will then analyze your website and generate an ideal customer profile for you. You'll start seeing fields automatically populated, including company name, company description, ICP or ideal customer profile, pain points, value proposition, proof points, case studies, calls to action, and so on. There's also a field called Reason for Outreach. This one you'll need to fill out manually. Here, you can also select your outreach channels, including email, LinkedIn, LinkedIn InMail, that is if you have a premium account. Next, you'll see a Generate Conditional Sequence option. We recommend keeping it enabled because conditional sequences tend to perform much better in terms of open rates, reply rates, and overall email deliverability. Set the language and tone of voice. Jason supports multiple languages and various tones to match your brand voice. Important note, All information filled in by Jason is based on your website content, so we strongly recommend reviewing and editing the fields as needed. Make sure all required fields are completed before moving forward. Once everything looks good, click Next. Now, Jason will define your ideal customer profile based on the product information you provided. It will start searching for relevant leads in real time. You'll see a snapshot of the ICP on the screen. Click Edit Filters if you'd like to adjust or refine any criteria. Please keep in mind that the previous section at this point shows just a sample of the leads, not the full list. You can also add your own contacts from the People tab. After confirming your ICP, click Next to move on to the sequence creation. Here, Jason will automatically generate a sequence structure for your contacts. You will see how channels are combined, which conditions are applied, and how the sequence branches out. You can edit the structure of the sequence at this stage, but please remember that individual messages will be generated just before sending based on the most up-to-date lead data at that time. This ensures hyper-relevant and timely communication. Head over to the Settings tab to finalize your outreach configuration. Choose the email and LinkedIn account or accounts you want to use. Go to General Settings to set the maximum number of first-step emails or the delay between emails, and enable or disable email open and link tracking. Set your sending schedule, use default or create a new one. Define reply handling rules. In other words, define what happens when a contact replies, books a meeting, or completes a certain goal. Configure calls and tasks handling. Next, on the Jason AI tab, add your knowledge base. This is essential product information that Jason will use when replying on your behalf. Connect your calendar. Select how Jason should handle replies. Save as a draft for manual review. Or send automatically if you want replies to be sent without your involvement. Once everything is set, click Save. Your sequence will be saved to your list of sequences. At this point, you'll be able to open the sequence again and go to the Preview section in order to see the following. See all the contacts Jason found. Please note that this may take a little while. Review all personalized emails generated for each contact at this point. Edit or regenerate messages as needed. And that's it. Launch your first sequence and get ready to have your inbox filled with replies from prospects, automatically labeled and prioritized by Jason AI SDR.